Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is app Easy Money and overview. So you can see the name of the app Easy Money. You can download and install this application from Google Play Store and App Store, and then you can see the rating of the app 5 out of 5. So it's really amazing rating and 12k reviews. It means 12,000 people write something about this app. You will see it later, and you can see the size of the 65 megabyte and 500,000 people already download this app or use this app. So if you really want to check what is this app, no monthly fees, so you don't need to give them pay, and you can say like how much money you waste you spent, like saving, holiday and home deposit. So you can see all the things. Really user interface really amazing, and if you really want to see about this app, then go here and you can say welcome to Easy Money, your path to feeling good about money. App is banking, bills and 100% mobile. It's super easy to try. Open an account in minutes, and there are some features you can read before installation. This app is released 2018. It's 5 years ago, and you can say many people write something good. If you really want to check their feedback, then go and visit. And if you check the positive reviews, many people said good, and you can also check the negative reviews. So it's really easy to use. You can use this application. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.